In this video, I'll show you how you can back up and restore Steam games. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to find the game that you want to back up. So in this case I'll just do Terraria. So right click on it, go to properties, and from in here you want to find installed files. Now in here there should be a backup game files folder, and you want to click on it and choose where you want it to be backed up. Now I'll just select the desktop real quick, just so I can easily find it, and select the folder and create the backup. Now just wait for this to back up, and you'll see it's gonna start generating itself here. So I'll just be back once this is done, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, once that is completed, what you wanna do is you wanna come up here, click on Steam and restore game backup, press browse, and then just select the folder that you just created. Select it and come here, and then you can restore backup. Once you've done that, it should work. And I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.